Arm placement as a trigger. Now I'll tell you how I use it in my dance. At first you need to know the fact that the arm placement, this is a starting point, point A, from which there is a new beginning. Remember that. Your arm placement shouldn't be random. In dance we have a flow, everything should be consistent, even if there is no storytelling. The concept, logic, sequence of movements should still be there. And the basis of your storytelling, concepts and dance in general are poses. And it's clear that arm placement is part of your body shape. I have several ways to develop arm placement. The first way is to come up with arm placement first, and then think about what it can mean for you. And accordingly, you implement this idea. And the more meanings you come up with your one position, the more diverse your dance vocabulary will be. For example, I point my finger down, and this is a trigger for my footwork. You see, I don't give the specifics to my leg work. I just know that this arm placement seems to give then an indication to the legs to start moving. Okay, go to the next. So, this is a trigger to go down. Boom. Or boom. I'm not coming up with a specific go down here either. I just know that when I make this arm placement, it's time to go down. Next one, I imagine that there is a lace tied from a finger to the floor. I take it, pull it like a bowstring and boom! Or I imagine pointing at a soccer ball, I look at it and kick it. Next, I press the button, for example, on my chest, and this causes my arm to turn like this, or like this, or to bend, boom, boom, like this, or to move like this. Next, I connect my other hand and draw a circle like this, or like this, and then I can take it.
Oh bro, stop, I'm full of information right now. How many ideas do you have, man? I'm done.
Bro, I can create ideas for a very long time. Just imagine, this is only one arm placement, man. Just relax and open your mind and you can do everything. Let's make another arm placement and stories for it. So I have this arm placement, then I imagine that I'm holding something and that will be a trigger to open my hand. Boom. And what were in my hands flew away. I look at it, it's butterflies. Or I can hide what I'm holding in my pocket. Or I can listen to what was hiding in my fist. Now I'm imagining that I'm holding a microphone and now I'm start rapping. Or I imagine that I am a knight and hold a sword. Or I imagine that I'm blowing into my fist and the other hand is opening. Or I have stretchy lace tied to my fist, I take it, pull it, and my hands start moving. How do you like these ideas? Maybe take something for yourself. If so, write in the comments what you like the most. I'm really interested. So let's move on to way number 2. This is when I first have an idea and then I make an arm placement on it. The main thing to remember is that having the same idea, you can change the course of the story depending on what kind of arm placement you have. Let's get creative. The main idea be the ball. And now I will show you how I can visualize it with my arm placements. So first I hold the ball in front of me like this, or like this, and then I hide it under my t-shirt. Next I hold the ball behind my head like this, then I throw it on the floor as hard as I can. Boom! Next I hold the ball with my fingers like this, or like this, then I intercept it with my elbows, boom, and boom, hit it on the floor. Next I hold the ball under my leg, and then I start juggling. Next, I hold the ball from the side like this, release it and kick it. Next, I imagine that I'm spinning the ball in my finger. And then switch it, switch it, switch. Next, I imagine that I'm holding the ball here, I'm looking at it, and then I kick it with my other hand. Next, I imagine that I'm holding the ball in one hand like this, like a professional basketball player. And then I'm start playing with it. Boom, boom, boom. Next, I hold the ball behind my back like this, then I throw it, it flies forward, and then I hit it, boom, like this. This is ball. Bro, it's enough or we need more?
Bro, yeah, I'm overdosed to this info.
Okay. I think this is enough information for you for today. Thank you for watching, supporting, likes, enjoy. Yeah, Spitfire, see you soon!
Don't look back from the front. You will get it that cap on the head, snap back, you will drag my body back. That is the time and the clips behind me and pick up the fix.
Шо там, пацаны?